Hi, I'm April Golightly, and I'm so excited to share with you my unboxing. I went shopping yesterday and I'm gonna open it all. I also have a package that I just got in the mail. Also, stay to the end because I'm doing a giveaway. So I can't wait to show you what I'm giving away. So stay to the end. Ooh, so excited. Let's get started. The Star Wars collection just came out at Stoney Clover and I went to the Palm Beach store. I wanted to show you the awesome bag. It's really like super thick and white and black, and then it has this pretty ribbon and the holographic tissue paper. It's got a little ribbon here, so let's open it up. Can you see? So pretty. They put everything into this holographic bag. It's so pretty. So one of the first purchases, I'm trying to get it so you can see it. One of the first purchases is this one. It's a small pouch. It's like there we go. It's tracking it now. So yeah, this is the Star Wars print. Look how cute it is. I love like the pink right here, the little pink stars in between the characters. I know a lot of people have been saying they've seen prints similar to this at like Joann's or something, and I've seen that print, but I think the pink stars are something totally new, specifically for Stoney Clover, which is super cool. So I don't know what I'm doing with this yet, but here it is. Beautiful. And then they put like, let's see, they put plastic over the little embellishments, and it says Stoney Clover Lane, and then it has Star Wars on the back. So next up, I actually got the Star Wars fanny pack. So excited. I really wanted to get a fanny pack, but I was concerned that it wasn't going to fit me. So I was actually talking to someone online, and she said that the new ones are a lot bigger. Look how big that is. So I'm a size, like I'm wearing a 1X sweatshirt right now, and I'm a size like extra large 1X, and it fits across my chest, which is awesome. And it also fits my waist. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So very cool, really nice and soft seatbelt material, really cool. So yeah, I'm definitely wearing this to Disney coming up. I'm really in love with it. I might do a video on what fits in this fanny pack. Let me know in the comments below if there's something that you're interested in, if that's something you're interested in, or if you want to see what fits in some of the other bags that I'm talking about today. Let's see what's next. I got this hat, which is from the last collection. I'm like, so stinking cute. I think it kind of goes with, I thought this had green in it. I guess it doesn't, but I still think this blue is like far enough away from it that it would match. Excuse my headbands. Like, so cute. I'm probably gonna put a patch up here. It's this very nice nylon material, and then it has the, whatever this is called. What is this called? Brain not working. Velcro, that's what it's called. It has Velcro so it can go smaller. And then it's like the bowed type, not like the flat type. My daughter really liked this, so she might be stealing it, or I might have to get another version of it for her. Gotta protect yourself from the sun. So the next thing that I got was the large pouch. Let's open it up. So I think this is like Flight of Falcon print. Don't quote me on that. I think that's the name of it. But I would say that it's kind of like a gray blue color rather than a white. I thought online that it was going to be a white, but I'm still really happy with it. It has the TIE Fighters, the Millennium Falcon, what is this called? The Death Star. I think that's it. But so cute. This giant one. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet. And I think I'm thinking about putting something on it. I feel like it's kind of plain on its own. I really want to put something like some sort of Star Wars quote or something like that. I did get a lot of patches. I can't wait to show you them. So maybe we'll look at it and figure out what patches to put on it. Maybe you guys can help me decide. But very cool, very nice material, really nice. And then this is actually gunmetal, which I thought was really cool because it kind of fits it more than like say gold would. Next up, I actually got the scrunchie to match it. It comes in this little pouch, like a plastic pouch that you can reuse. And it says Star Wars Stoney Clover. And it's that same kind of material, which is nice. Very cute. It's like thinner than I expected it to be, actually. The scrunchie part is kind of skinny. But I like it. I'll probably wear it to Disney and maybe wear it with the next item. Are you guys excited? I know I am. Next up is the mini backpack with the Flight of Falcon stuff. They didn't make this in like a large backpack, but I measured it, or I looked online for the measurements, and you can fit like a folder, an 8.5 by 11 folder in here, which is pretty cool. My daughter claimed this already, so I'll probably wear it to Disney and then she'll probably keep it for her backpack next year. I really love how nice like the nylon is. It feels like so luxurious and soft and not uncomfortable at all, which is really cool. Yeah, it's very much like a bluish, a light blue color, but not like a baby blue, kind of like more of a like a slate blue color. And again, it has the what are these called, the gunmetal color here rather than like gold. Cute. It's just like a big pocket on the inside with black, which is really nice. Let's see, it says Star Wars Stoney Clover back there. You know what I noticed is that the front pocket kind of looks like a pouch in a way. Let me see. Yeah, it's just a pouch with no like pockets or anything. But I always feel like those pockets are kind of useless anyway. I prefer just like putting stuff in there. Also, I'm gonna see if the like smaller pouches would fit in here, because it would be nice to like be able to like organize stuff. I think so. It looks like it probably could fit maybe 1 or 2 pouches. I'll try and let you know. But so cute. And I tried it on in store and it definitely fit, so, which was nice. I wasn't sure if it would fit me or if it was like geared more towards children. Okay, pouch time. So they put all my 50 billion pouches, or not pouches, my 50 billion patches, not pouches, into this. So let's see what I got here. I got let me see. So this is the Rebel symbol in pink blue with the gold outline. So pretty. Okay, I got this one. It's Give Me Space. Really like that. Oh, so cute. I love these colors, and it has that green in it. That the last collection has a lot of that green, which is really pretty. And then we have C3PO and R2D2 with just like looking super cute, like cartoonish, really adorable. And then we have Luke and what's his name? Brain not working again. Darth Vader. My daughter for a little while was calling Darth Vader Dark Vader. I'm like, no, it's Darth, sweetie. This is when she was really little. But yeah, look how cute that is. I love it. And then the I Know patch with Han and Leia together. So cute with the pink. Love it. Which the I love you, I know. Chewbacca with his hands raised. So cute. I love Chewbacca. And then this one, which I was considering, if you weren't able to get this one, what I was thinking is that you could get this patch and put this patch onto a fanny pack. And I think you could probably do it with the pinks or like that greenish mint color, purple. Any of the colors would be super cute with it. And what I'm thinking is, because this is from the new collection, putting it on the hat. I think it would be really cute. Like, maybe, I'm not sure. Either that or maybe this one would be cute. Even though it's like not the same colors, I think it still would look really cute together. Okay, and the last one is the Rebel with Princess Leia. So cute. Let me see, what else did I get? Next, we have this Stoney Clover Obsessed box. So I ordered something. I don't know what's in this box, so let's open it up. So we've got a Stoney Clover box with a Stoney Clover postcard. So cute. Greetings from Stoney Clover Lane. Happy birthday. Oh, I think I said happy birthday because my birthday just was happening when I ordered this. Same packaging, but smaller. Ooh. So this is I forgot the name. I'm really bad at remembering the names, but Flamingo, I think? No, not Flamingo. Something like hot pink or something. Bubblegum, maybe. So cute. This is for like my power cords. Absolutely in love with it. So fun. So cute. And then this one, which is for summertime to put in my like beach bag. So cute. So when I got the letters sewn on, it looks really cute. Sun, love. So for this, I'll probably put my SPF and stuff and things like that in here. Maybe goggles for my daughter. Oh, and look at the bottom. It says Stoney Clover on the bottom. So cute. Yay. I can't wait to get the other stuff that I actually ordered. So let me know if you guys like these videos. I also set up a giveaway for you guys. So excited. Let me show you. So I have this bag. I accidentally, excited to share with you this giveaway that I'm doing for you. So excited. When the Target stuff was launching, I bought a couple extra things because I wasn't sure. I was hoping to trade them. I ended up just buying some stuff from people because I couldn't find them. Anyway, so instead of selling this for whatever and just not worth it, I decided to give it away to you guys. So it's the super cute terry cloth white bag, cute heart here. And then it says Stoney Clover here. And then what else do I got in here? I have this cute little heart thing for a suitcase. So that was like super cute. And then let's see what else. I have these. I don't know if they'll fit whoever wins it. They're size 8. I already had a pair, so I was like, why not give them away to you guys? But it's super cute with the little hearts. And so yeah, if for whatever reason they're like $10, if they don't fit you, maybe you can give them to one of your friends. Also, I wanted to include this headband that I actually sell. So I make these headbands. There's some right here. This was kind of like a COVID hobby, because like headbands just like hurt my head, and I was like looking for headbands that fit me. So I decided I sew. So I was like, why not try to make it myself? So after lots of failures, I found a headband that actually is super flexible. And also this amazing fabric. This is like recycled material and it's made in the US. So I make the actual headband, the fabric part, and I make it out of this recycled material, so it's good for the planet. And also I saw that online that the Stoney Clover Lane print, there's a print that looks similar to this. I'm gonna pop it in right here. It looks very similar to this. And I just love it. It's so stinking cute. So yeah, you'll get one of these. I think I usually charge like $32 for them. But the way you enter is it's linked down in the description. Basically get on my email list. I do like a headband of the week. They're kind of limited releases. So, and what I'm trying to do is, because I've been getting into the Stoney Clover stuff, I'm gonna try to like match, or as close as I can to match, like the bags that I'm doing. So I try to do like 1 or 2 per week, new ones, super limited release. Like this one, I made for my friend. She works at a manatee place, and I just thought it was super cute. So I have a few of these. So yeah, and then you can also like let me know if there's something specifically you're looking for, and I can make it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.